forestry, logging is a labor-intensive and highly skilled job. Workers face challenging conditions such as bad weather, rugged terrain, dangerous situations, and more. Cutting down trees by hand requires a lot of physical effort and time, and can also be dangerous for workers. Chainsaws have greatly aided the forestry industry as they can replace the manual labor of many workers and do the job faster and more efficiently. This saves time and energy, while also reducing the risk of accidents during the logging process. The harvesting of pine trees is carried out in a natural pine forest or on pine plantations, and must be done in an environmentally sustainable manner, ensuring the forest's sustainability and the safety of the workers. Follow us for more details, and don't forget to give us a like, subscribe, and hit the bell to see our latest videos. Yesterday, I sent a gift box to a Canadian lumberjack, which has a Husqvarna 372 XP chainsaw. He was so happy that he immediately took the chainsaw out to test it. He cut a large pine tree into many pieces, each piece as big as a container truck tire, which demonstrated the power of the chainsaw. However, the user of the chainsaw also needs to have a good physical strength and skills. If not careful, it can be very dangerous. Did you see how smoothly he cut the pine tree? Do you think it's because the pine tree is soft or because of his excellent chainsaw and skilled hands? Here are some facts about pine trees to help answer your questions. Pine trees grow well in regions with a temperature climate, cold winters, and year-round rain. The best climate conditions for a pine tree growth are average temperatures between 13 and 18 degrees Celsius, so it's safe to say that his chainsaw and equipment are excellent. He cut the large tree into small pieces, perhaps to test the chainsaw's maximum capacity or to split the tree for firewood. After that, he will try to use the chainsaw for logging to determine the maximum power and fuel consumption of the machine, adding it to his collection of excellent chainsaws. Continuing to talk about the skills of the Canadian worker, here are some of the safest tree cutting techniques he often uses to fell a tree leaning in a particular direction. As you can see, our worker is creating a notch on the side of the tree where it is intended to fall. This notch will help the tree fall in the desired direction. After determining the falling direction and creating the notch, he begins cutting the tree. He starts cutting from the opposite side of the notch and continues until the tree falls towards the notch. He is very careful to ensure safety while cutting the tree, especially when it begins to fall towards the notch. After harvesting, the spruce wood is used for many different purposes. For example, spruce wood can be used to produce furniture, plywood, veneers, and flooring. Spruce wood is also used to build house frames, outdoor furniture, and other construction projects. Spruce wood is not only used in construction and furniture industry, but also in other industries such as paper production, shipbuilding, musical instrument production, and many other applications. Spruce wood is also used in outdoor decorative structures such as entrance gates, fences, and various decorative items. Following him into the maple forest, as you may know, just like pine wood in terms of hardness and usefulness for crafting furniture making, maple wood also has the same levels of hardness and durability as pine wood while having more beautiful color and even texture. Maple wood usually comes in a range of white to light yellow or reddish brown color. One of the highlights of maple wood is its wood grain, which can have straight, curly, or V-shaped patterns. Maple wood is widely distributed across the world from North America, Europe, to Asia. Depending on the origin, there are several different species of maple wood, including sugar maple, red maple, bird's eye maple, silver maple, and black maple. Returning to the craftsman, he wants to cut down these fallen maple trees to show you the inside core. Oh, but not because he wants them to fall near the nearby house for safety of the machinery. It seems that this may be his house in the area to rest when harvesting and transporting wood. But please note, always determine the direction of fall before cutting the tree. Although wood harvesting is very beneficial for humans, and the use of machinery is also great in wood harvesting, conservation should always be considered. Planting new trees to regenerate the forest and using sustainable harvesting methods is essential to protect the resource for future generations. Therefore, let's be smart wood harvesters, my friends. This video ends here. Please give us a like and subscribe, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section. Goodbye and see you in our latest videos.